and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be installing the prop shaft, the front prop shaft for my Nissan Skyline. I finally got it. That's the old one that does not fit right there, and you can see right there, this is much bigger, so this will fit. So I drove 4 hours last night to actually pick this up, and today we are going to get this car drivable. Hopefully we'll get the car drivable. I mean, we are now going to jack the car up, and I'm going to get underneath there and hopefully get that prop shaft in there. I'm really excited to be driving this car and feel how the transmission feels like, because is it working? Is it in good condition? Is it in bad condition? Does it need maybe a short shift? I don't know. Yeah, it's raining outside, it's dark, it's cold, but I just want to get it done. So time to just get the car up in the air in this tiny ass garage. Hopefully you will like this video, and maybe you can consider subscribing, like the video, and because you don't need to stand out here in the cold and do this kind of work, but somebody got to do it. Let's begin, and hopefully this will go by smoothly. I will also have to fill some oil in the transmission, because when I did an oil change in the episode number 1. If you have not watched that episode with me installing the transmission, go check that out. But all that oil I filled in, that just ran straight out again through the part where the prop shaft is going in, because it's not anything that's holding the oil in. So yeah, we have to fill oil again. But yeah, you know what? Let's go. Let's just begin. Here we have the prop shaft, which we're going to install. So I'm going to lubricate that a little bit on the outside and on the inside, and hopefully we'll get this in. The car is now on some jack stands over there and over there, so it should sit safely. Oh my god, the car is in gear and it's in, the handbrake is on. Damn it. Whew. It's so... it's exhausting being under a car. Not good times. There we go. So I need those to match up. And we have gotten it in there. I'm happy I at least got it on and it fits. I was kind of worried this would not fit, because since it's from an R33, but it fits an R34, so that's pretty good. There we go. Now we got all the bolts on. I just need to tighten them. We are actually done. I have filled up the oil. It only needed like a little bit less than 1 liter of oil. The bolts are tightened. I got my girlfriend to sit in the car and pull the e-brake up and down, so I could just twist the prop shaft or the drive shaft or whatever, and then so I can tighten the 4 bolts. The car is finished. Now it's just a matter of to see if does it work. I mean, will the tires go around? Will it be any noises in the transmission? That's what I'm really worried about, because I mean, buying things used like this, it's a risk, and the transmission, it was not cheap. It was quite expensive actually. Almost, I paid seriously twice what I paid for the transmission for my 200 SX like 2 years ago. So yeah, okay. So now we got it in the car over there, and the exhaust is back on. Let's now start up the car and see if we will get the wheels to spin and go through the gears. Okay, I got some bad news actually. I think there is actually a noise in the transmission, the new one that we put in. I hope it's just because the oil haven't yet to like circulate the transmission or something. I don't know. I don't really know, but yeah, I don't. Yeah, let's get the car down on the ground, and I will try driving it at low speeds just to see. But yeah, I don't know what to say. This, like I said, I paid a lot for this transmission, so if oh damn, the car is going into winter storage today. I'm hoping, but oh well, you know what, I don't want to get ahead of myself. Let's test it on the road for a little bit and see if the noise is there. But if it's there, all this work, and I need to buy a new transmission and swap that out again. Feels like my season has really ran out of luck this year. Okay, there is coming a horrible noise. There is coming a noise from here. Oh my god. What is this? Once I pass like 20 kilometers an hour, there is a noise coming from the transmission. But what is it? It's worse than the other transmission. The other transmission is seriously better. And I assume the higher the speed, the higher the noise. It doesn't matter if I'm in gear, that doesn't matter. Neutral also sucks. I mean, there's a chance that this is an easy fix. Maybe there is something I have done wrong in this area. I don't know. But I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I hate it. Oh. I don't know what to say. This really sucks. I mean, yeah. It can be that there is something wrong with the prop shaft, maybe, because that spins even though the clutch is not engaged and it's in neutral and stuff like that. So maybe it's something about that hitting something. Maybe it's like I hope the next clip you are about to see in this video is something a little bit better, but I don't even know what that is. Hopefully on the hoist, me saying I figured the issue out, but I don't know. Hope for the best.